Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to use the GMind AI multi-level lesson planner. In this video, you'll learn how to create, customize, and export lesson plan, lesson note, worksheet, assessment, and lesson activities in just a few clicks. Start by selecting Multi-Level Lesson Planner. The first step is to select your curriculum. Enter the grade, the subject, and the topic you want. You can add more resources through the link or upload extra information to enrich your multi-level lesson planner. Select the Instructional Models. GMind AI offers over 30 instructional models options. Click Continue. Learning Objectives, Learning Overview, and Lesson Procedure. I'll use GMind AI. And for duration, I'll type 40 minutes. Then select the term, type the weeks, and select your country. Click Next. Previous knowledge and assessment strategy. I'll use GMind AI. After completing the details, click Generate Plan. From the lesson plan with just a click, Lesson Note is generated immediately. It can be preview and edit to suit the learners. With a click, Worksheet is also generate with different questions from the lesson note. Ranges from multi-choice questions, short answers, and fill-in-the-gap questions is been generate. Assessment is also generated with a click from the lesson noted generate. Choose your preferred question types: multiple choice, true or false, short answer essay, higher order thinking questions. You can select one or mix several formats. Click Generate Assessment. Within seconds, GMind AI will create a full set of questions based on your inputs. Review the questions. You can edit, reorder, or delete any item. Simply click on a question to make changes. This ensures your assessment fits your teaching style. If you want an answer canding about the topics, Learning Activities is also generated with a click, and this helps the teachers to plan his lesson properly. Remember, all results can be edited to suit your teaching style. GMind AI gives you a strong foundation, but you remain in control. Whether you want to adjust objectives, add resources, or restructure the outline, it's completely flexible. Once you're satisfied, download each of this directly into your workspace. These tools help you personalize lesson planner, lesson note, worksheet, assessment, and learning activities even further. That's it. To view your saved document on GMind AI Library, click on My Workspace. You will see a drop-down, then click on Library, and you will see it. You can also download it on your device. Plan using GMind AI. For more tutorials, explore our Help Center or subscribe for updates. Enjoy GMind AI powered by GoToCourse.